So welcome back to another video, guys. So what can you do with 6,000 per day? Like, just think about it. What can you do with if you're making around 6k per day? Well,
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
These guys are making around that amount per day. So how do I know that? So there's this website known as worthofwhip.com. Now if you go there and then you pop the URL of the domain here, it shows you how much a website makes per day. So let's test tuco.co.ke makes how much per day. So if you know Tuco, they are the leading news website. So this is the the estimate worth of the website. So if you were to buy today Tuco, you would pay this amount. That's 241 million. Oh yeah, that's a lot of money. Yeah, as you can see here, the estimated revenue. So remember, it's estimated, it's not accurate. Yeah, but it lies around there. So if you can see here, they make around 150k per day. Yeah, so 150k per day means they make this per month, which is around 4 million. So it's I can say Tuco makes, it's true, they make around this amount of money per day. Per month. It's between 2 million and this amount, 4 million. So the estimate is real. It gives you an idea. Now if we look at the one we looked at, the Nasonga. I'm using these guys because they are all over. They're all over the place. Yes, so I'm using them. Don't ask me why I'm not using myself. But you can go and pop my website here and see how much, the estimate. So nasonga.com makes around, so this is the worth of the website. So if you were to buy that website today, you would be paying around this amount. So they are running a million, multi-million business, just writing articles. As you can see, they bring a revenue of around $49 per day. That's around 6k today's currency. If you convert it to Kenyan shilling today. Now that means they make this amount per month. That's almost 200k per month. And if you look at the website, they are a bunch of writers. Yeah, it's not one guy. So it looks like they publish a lot of articles. Okay, so let's look at this one. As you can see here, these guys, they publish really simple articles, how to, and I want to show you how you can do that. So done with them, let's look at this one. These are the guys. There is this website known as how.co.ke. So the reason why I'm showing you this is to show you how simple it is to make that amount money online in Kenya. So how to is just here to help Kenyans navigate the ever-changing technology. In short, these guys are showing you, how to do stuff. Yeah, they show you how to do stuff, and then in return, when you go their website, they serve you ads. And when we pop that website to the tool, so let me refresh. You can see if you were to buy this website today, you would pay this amount as around 100k. Yeah. And they make this amount per day. That's $3, which means they make around 400 shillings per day. Now if you multiply that by 30, it means they make around 12k per month. That's a lot of money for just publishing simple articles. Now how can you get this? How can you get this for your website? So the first thing you need to do is to register a domain name. Yeah, so just register a domain name. To do that, head over to truos.co.ke or click the link in the description. It will take you to this website. Once you're here, you need to register a name for your website. Now, so for example, if I were to do that today, I would register something like guides.co.ke. So let's see if that domain name is available. Perfect, it's available. So if you can see here, it's $7.99. So as the reason why I'm choosing guides is, I'll tell you in a minute. So once you've picked the domain name, make sure you add it to cart and then check out. the next thing now is to add hosting. If you look at here, it say no hosting, so click to add. Now hosting means, you know, this is where your files will live. Yeah, this is where your file will live. Now if you look at this one, this is the cheapest, I think, or there is another one. Yeah, so you can either choose to pay monthly or per year. So I'd prefer to pay per year. Pick you know, whichever, but I'd prefer this because it gives you 30 GB storage and you can host 3 domains inside, which means you can add 2 extra domains, you know, without getting separate hosting. Now, so click order. So this 2000, okay, let's use the domain name I picked earlier. And boom, as you can see now we have hosting. Then click continue. And then it says now hosting. Now just tick these boxes. And, you know, this one is paid. So ID protection means, you know, they hide your information. Now, if you look at, so if someone is trying to contact you, let's look at my website, my other website, you know, one of the domains I registered a long time ago. Now this, let me show you where this can work. Now if you look at here, it shows you almost my old information, even up to my, you know, my forgotten email and my phone number. Now anyone can see this information. If you don't want this information public, you tick this box, yeah, and it will cost you, I think, 300 to 400 per year, something like that. Then click continue. And now, as you can see, your order now is going for $27.98. Now you will be paying that per year, which means if you register it today, you will be paying next year at the same time, the same amount. That's how much it costs you to start a website in Kenya. Now click checkout. Then once you're here, you just need to fill in this information and then now choose your payment method. Now as you can see, they accept M-Pesa, so you will just pay with your M-Pesa. Once you're done, just ask them to install WordPress for you. And once you've installed WordPress, the next step is now to start writing. Now, where do you get the ideas? Here is the simple way to get ideas. Just go to Google. So just go to Google and search for Google Trends. So these are tool powered by Google that shows you what's trending in every country or what's being searched a lot. Yeah, so if you can see here, if you go to Kenya trending now, it shows you everything that's trending. If you see here, Arsenal versus Leeds, so it's been searched around 50,000 times, especially in Kenya. Yeah, so this is specific to Kenya. Yeah, so if you load more, that. Now if you want to write about football, well and good, you can write about this stuff, but I want to make it, if you want to make it simpler, just type any topic here. So I want to search anything related to how to in Kenya. I want to see how many people search you know, keywords related to how to in Kenya. Now if you scroll down here, you can see here related queries, yeah, and you can see how to apply for Hustler Fund, how to check your polling station. So, and we have a lot of queries, up to 24 queries. There are very many. Yeah, how to check my polling station, how to apply for Green Card. And as you can see, you know, it's trending. People are searching for it like a lot. Now if you want to expand, just click on it and, you know, it will expand to give you more ideas, Now Green Card application, yeah, you can see that. Yeah, now once you've gotten the idea, just copy it, go to Google. Now, and the next step, of course, is to research. Yeah, so you are researching for your article, so this will be your title. Now you need to find content. Now research that, search that on Google, and then read the top ranking articles here. Yeah, read all of them and then note what they share in common. Note it down, and then now you can use these articles that they've written here as your sources, or as your sources for your ideas. Now you need to write an article answering this question using what you find on these articles using what they share in common. Once you've done that, just publish the article to your website on your website. The next thing you need to do is to go to adsense.google.com and sign up. As you can see here, let's see how much you stand to make. Now remember, you need traffic for this to work, so let's select region. So it's Europe, Middle East and Africa. Now let's select the category. So our article or our website will be based on what? So let's look at here. So these are the niches for websites. Where would it be? Internet and telecom, education. So it could be jobs and education because you're teaching people how to. Then let's calculate. Now based on the page views, so if you get 50k page views, you'll be making around this amount per month. Around $2,000, 928. But yes, you can't go lower than that. That's weird, but of course you get the idea. So if you got up to 50,000 page views, you make this amount. If you look at our friend here, the how.co.ke, their traffic is around 7,000 per month, and here's how much they are making. They are making 12k per month. So it gives you an idea. So of course, if you have any other question concerning this, please let me know in the comments below. See you in the other video.